Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Aloe Vesta is probably one of the most talked about protective ointments on the market, and for good reason. Today, we're diving deep into this popular choice, exploring its key ingredients, texture, application, and most importantly, whether it lives up to the hype. We'll be putting Aloe Vesta through a series of tests to see how effective it is at protecting skin from irritation, locking in moisture, and aiding in the healing process. Get ready to discover if Aloe Vesta truly deserves a spot in your skincare or first aid kit. Number 5. Organics Superbalm. This is a gentle, all-natural ointment for baby's sensitive skin. It's made with organic ingredients to soothe and heal various skin conditions. It's certified organic by the USDA, ensuring the highest quality and purity. You can trust it's safe for your little one. This ointment is approved by the National Eczema Association and dermatologist tested. It provides immediate soothing relief. Made with natural ingredients like chamomile, calendula, and colloidal oats, it moisturizes, nourishes, and protects delicate skin. It's not just for babies. This super balm works wonders on eczema, cradle cap, minor wounds, rashes, and hives for people of all ages. It addresses itchiness, redness, and irritation, promoting long-term skin health and comfort. It helps your baby sleep soundly through the night. It's proudly made in the USA with sustainably sourced ingredients. It's free of perfumes, chemicals, parabens, dyes, and fillers. Organics is a mother-owned and family-operated business. We're committed to providing safe and effective natural products for your family. What we like? It's made with 100% natural ingredients, perfect for even the most delicate skin. If you're looking for a gentle, effective solution for your baby's eczema or other skin irritations, this is the balm for you. It's also great for adults with sensitive skin, offering soothing relief from various skin conditions. What people say. I've used it on my babies as diaper rash ointment, for cradle cap, as lip balm, and even just as a really rich nighttime moisturizer. It was the only thing that worked on getting rid of the dry patches on my baby's skin. Literally overnight her skin is smooth. This product has not caused any discomfort for her and she is on her third bottle. Number 4. Terrasil 3X Wound Care. It provides a powerful barrier against infection, killing 99.99% of bacteria. Its soothing formula protects damaged skin and promotes faster healing. It calms inflammation and redness, minimizing scarring and reducing itching and irritation. It's ideal for bedsores, burns, cuts, and more, providing soothing relief without stinging. It contains activated minerals, the result of over 20 years of research. These, along with other select ingredients, effectively treat, protect, and support skin healing. It uses natural ingredients like jojoba oil and calendula to moisturize and soothe. It's paraben-free, alcohol-free, dye-free, fragrance-free, and hypoallergenic. It's made in the USA with the finest ingredients and to the highest quality standards. It's also FSA and HSA eligible. What we like? This ointment provides powerful protection against infection while promoting fast healing. If you need a reliable solution for wounds, sores, or burns, this is a great choice. Its soothing formula and dermatologist-tested formulation make it suitable for even the most sensitive skin. What people say. Seems to clear up problem areas. Doesn't cause hot spots. Healed bed sore quickly. All his inflammation over his growth had gone down dramatically. The leaky sores were closed. The opened wound he caused by his chewing had calmed down and shrunk in size dramatically. It took just 3 full days of applying this medicine cream on my dog's wound, and everything is appearing totally healed. Number 3. Truremedy Remedy Balm. This balm is your secret weapon for healthy, happy skin. It's made with a powerful blend of natural ingredients to soothe and moisturize. It deeply hydrates your skin, reducing dryness and promoting softness. Say goodbye to cracked skin and hello to healthy-looking skin. This balm provides instant relief from itchy skin conditions like athlete's foot and rashes. It's gentle enough for everyday use. Packed with essential omega fatty acids and vitamins E and C, it nourishes your skin from the inside out. It's also free of gluten, petroleum, and synthetic fragrances. It's a multi-purpose balm for both men and women. Use it on your feet, body, or wherever you need soothing relief. The blend of tea tree, eucalyptus, and lavender essential oils provides effective, plant-based relief. Experience the soothing power of nature. What we like. It uses a blend of soothing essential oils to provide relief from itching and dryness. If you suffer from athlete's foot, rashes, or other itchy skin conditions, this balm offers a natural and effective solution. Its moisturizing properties also help to keep your skin healthy and soft. What people say. This ointment is soothing and seemed to help my skin tremendously. It also smells nice and minty. It cures flaking or cracking skin like nobody's business. If you're looking for a good thick cream which dissolves into oil at body temperature, to cure cracked skin and smells amazing, then buy it. My dry, scaly, itchy legs were driving me nuts. No lotion seemed to work. I've been using this cream and it took away the itch within a minute. It moisturizes and has cut down on the flaking. This cream does seem to heal, and don't use too much as it takes a while to soak in, as it has a greasy feel. But in spite of what I don't like, it does the job the description says it will. Number 2. Active Skin Repair. This is Active Skin Repair, a first aid hydrogel using hypochlorous acid, the same gentle molecule used in hospitals worldwide. It's a natural and non-toxic way to help your skin recover faster. Active Skin Repair is doctor recommended and clinically proven. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin and contains no steroids, antibiotics, alcohol, or harsh chemicals. It's perfect for everyday use. Use it on cuts, rashes, sunburns, and other minor skin irritations. It's like having a first aid kit in a convenient 3-ounce bottle. This medical-grade solution acts quickly to relieve discomfort and support your body's natural healing process. It effectively targets germs while being gentle on your skin. Active Skin Repair is HSA and FSA eligible, making it an affordable and convenient choice for your first aid needs. What we like. This hydrogel uses hypochlorous acid, a safe and gentle molecule, to cleanse wounds and promote healing. If you're looking for a natural and non-toxic first aid solution for minor cuts, scrapes, or sunburns, this is a great option. It's also suitable for daily use to maintain healthy skin. What people say. It's not for severe injury or if you need antibiotic ointment. Good stuff, non-toxic. If you have kids, it's probably really useful to have on hand. Can be used for irritated underarms, before deodorant, or on face for any irritation before makeup. Your issue will be resolved. He tried this gel on 3 areas of his butt for 2 to 3 weeks. So by the time we attended his first wound care appointment last week, the nurse practitioner who was about to debride and wounds said, "The only thing I find resembles a pen tip." So they took no action. This gel will now be a staple supply in my first aid kit and that of my relatives. A little goes a long way. Number 1. Terrasil Bed Sore Cream. It's formulated to create a powerful barrier against irritation and infection, providing fast, soothing relief and promoting healing for bed sores, foot ulcers, and other sores. It's ideal for daily use on all skin types. This cream protects your skin and promotes healing with clinically evaluated allantoin. The natural ingredients like beeswax, peppermint oil, and shea butter provide soothing relief and moisturization. It contains activated minerals, the result of over 20 years of research and development. These, along with other select ingredients, effectively treat, protect, and support skin healing. It uses all natural ingredients and is free of parabens, alcohols, dyes, fragrances, and steroids. It's formulated for even the most sensitive skin. It's made in the USA with the finest ingredients and to the highest quality manufacturing standards. It's also FSA and HSA approved. What we like. It's formulated to provide fast and effective healing for bed sores and pressure sores. If you're looking for a natural and soothing solution to relieve the discomfort of these conditions, this cream is worth considering. Its natural ingredients help to protect and moisturize your skin while promoting healing. What people say. After only a few applications, there was noticeable improvement. It works great. It keeps her skin healthy. I put it on her even when she has no wounds. I rub it on her delicate areas and it keeps her skin from breaking down. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.